First operation is create table. How to create table? So first of all, create a table. Okay. So first of all, create a table. I will just check it. So this is no tables, no tables name, no columns. Okay. So first of all, how to create tables name? Yeah. Create table student. Create table. This is query to create your data tables. Create table student one stuid int auto increment. This is your primary key because studio id 1 2 3 4 5 6 auto increment, and primary key this is your primary keys. Connect all tables. Primary key, because primary is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you want to join two tables, so as a primary key to connect another tables, this is another tables to primary key is a convert to foreign key. And name is varchar. Varchar is 20, limit is 20, and roll number, roll integer, and fees is float. Okay. If I say run this code, so okay, this is because did error. Why error? Because database name is not Python DSB. Okay, so Python DSB. Yeah. So run this code again, and yeah, database successfully connected and created one row, because this is not show but created one row, one table. So how to check it? If I say struct and browse this, loading. Yeah, student, this is table name. If I say create, open the table name.
सर स्क्रीन पॉज हो गया है शायद।
Okay, 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 किसकी pause हो गया? Yeah, yeah, okay. So got it? Yeah. Struct your table name this student. So your table name student and say structure. Yeah. STID, this is integer because this is a auto increment, and change the more. Auto increment your ID, and name is varchar 20, roll number is integer, and fish is a float. Okay. If I say run this code and connect this, your create your tables. And if I say how to show your tables, so show your tables, how to show? Okay. So show your tables. Only one query R. Yeah. Show your tables. How to show? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. How to show your tables? Show your tables. So first of all, yeah. So database successfully connected student one. So show your tables. Okay. And second of all, insert your data. To how to insert inside your tables. How to insert your data inside a table. So SQL insert into student name, role, fees. This is your table name. Table name and your attributes. Okay. Name, role, and fees. Values are name is Sumit, role is 103, and fees is 150. Yeah. Okay. So why try block? Try and if else both are same. If your condition is true, so successfully connected. If else part else is your condition is false to execute. SQL you run and try. MySQL execute this query and row inserted and not do not inserted. Okay, row is not inserted and row is inserted. So first of try is a only if condition and except this is else condition. But do not both are same. Try is a your actual code. Actual code means try this handle this code. Okay, and exception this return to your machine go through machine errors to convert your user defined error. Right? Print, unblock, insert data. Okay, so run this code, insert into student table, and values are done. Run this code. Database successfully connected and row inserted, stduid 1 inserted. Okay, insert okay, one row and one columns. Insert multiple row. So how to insert multiple row? This is a single row and I want to insert multiple rows. Only one. Hmm, yep. And paste this code. Yeah. Multiples values. Done this. Inserted to three rows. Inserted. Insert three row. Insert two. So if I say start your browser, check it. This is four row. One, two, three, four row. First is Sumit, second is Jay, Viru, and Basanti. Okay. And after this successfully done, uh, any doubt for regarding insert row, insert data, and update this data, show tables? Any doubt, Krishna?
No, sir.
Okay. Sovik, कोई doubt है?
नहीं सर.
Okay. Okay. So delete the data. How to delete the data from the your tables from the database in the table? So delete row. Import MySQL connector, MyDB. This is false. But first of all, same lines. So this is your print else commands, SQL command. So how to delete the data? If I say delete first row, delete the first row. So SQL and these connections, cut and paste. Okay, so run this code. Student 1 where STUID 3. So where this ID STUID 3 यानी कि 3, this is 3 value are deleted. Okay, so run this code. One row deleted. Yeah. If I say run again, show this database, show tables. Delete this row. Okay, third row is this. Third row is deleted. Update the row. How to update? Okay, so update this rows. Study 4 and how to update it? Yeah, SQL. Yeah. Unable to update the data. Run this code. 4 is where fees set fees equal to 200. One row updated. If I say check the data, 4 is 6,005 rupees and update. Refresh the browser and check this 200. Okay. Okay. Retrieve row one by one. How to retrieve row one by one? So yeah, if I say retrieve row one by one, yeah. SQL select star from student one, mydb.cursor, SQL, while row is not none. So row is printed, row and make fetch one. Fetch one, this is your function name. Okay, and row count the row and fetch the data. Yeah, fetch the data. Okay, data successfully connected and fetch your data, all rows. Fetch row and fetch all. So this is one by one and retrieve all rows. So if I say yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, where is the data? And yeah, successfully done it. So both are same, but difference is fetch and one and fetch all. Okay. So fetch all, fetch all data, and fetch one is only execute one tables. So any doubt for regarding this is database is connectivity done. Four operations are done. First of all, tables, create tables, show tables, insert data, delete and update data. So any doubt for regarding Sovik, Krishna?
No, sir.
Okay. So database connectivity done, and after the classes, 2 points are remaining. This is which module are done? This is 27th and 24th module are done, and okay, yeah. Yeah, 24th module are done. 25th module is networking. Okay, networking in Python. Networking Python and last two more classes. Networking last more 2 and 3. Yeah, networking and one class is only demo purpose. What is a data science, ML and uh, AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, so main module is networking. Yeah, how to interacting with networking on Python. Okay.
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
सर नोट्स
Okay.
भेज देंगे आज?
हाँ, नोट्स भेज दूंगा मैं आपका. किस किस का भेजना है आपका नोट्स?
सर ये वाला दे दीजिए, आज जो क्लास
ओके, आज
हुआ था।
आज का क्लास का भेज दूंगा मैं. ओके
ठीक है सर।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू. आई विल सेंड यू कृष्णा नोट्स, है ना? आई विल सेंड यू योर email ID.
Okay, sir.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.
Thank you, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू, बाय.